Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go, maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is absolutely perfect if you swim a lot during the summer, or maybe you work out and you're looking for a detergent that can handle those pool chemicals, that sunscreen, or that sweat that you're getting on your clothes. So this was sent over by a company called Lumehra. This is their swim and sport laundry detergent tabs. Absolutely love this stuff. So first off, it comes in this little bag here. This has got 20 little tabs in here, so you can do 20 loads depending on your load size. Once you open it up, this is what they look like. They look like these little white pucks. First off, they are pre-measured, nice and compacted. You're not paying for all that extra water weight or anything like that. You're gonna just toss this in the drum of your washing machine. If you have a small to regular size load, all you need is one. If you have maybe a larger or an extra large load, like a lot of towels, then maybe you'll wanna toss two in there. But basically how this little tablet works is it's made with a bunch of plant and mineral-based ingredients, and that is going to target things like sweat. It's going to target chlorine. It's going to target basically the sunscreen that builds up on your clothing. However, because of those kind of ingredients, those natural ingredients, it's going to be very delicate on clothing. So if you think about your swimsuits, you think about your workout bras, you don't have to worry about those harsh chemicals breaking down those fabrics because this is going to be a lot more gentle on them, which is really, really nice. Now, it is fragrance free. So if you're not a big fan of fragrance, this is going to be great. It's going to leave your clothes smelling neutral. It's going to get rid of the smells and odors that you don't want, like chlorine, but it's going to keep it from having all those extra odors, so another nice thing on it. If you do have a septic tank system, this is going to work great for that as well. It doesn't have any paraffins, it doesn't have any phosphates, it has no dyes in it, none of that junk in there that you want. Now, because of its compact size, this also works great for travel. So if you are going to maybe the beach, you're going on vacation, you're going to be doing lots of pool vacations, and you don't want your swimsuit essentially just holding onto that chlorine while the whole time you travel, or more also throwing it into your suitcase and making all your clothes smell like chlorine, you can easily put this in the sink, hand wash your clothes as well with one tablet, and just kind of move it around and let it do its thing, which is another nice aspect of it. Works really, really great for travel due to its size. And this is a resealable bag, so just simply put it, go ahead and seal it up, and you're good to go. So overall, if you are looking for a kind of more plant-based, mineral-based detergent to tackle those tough odors like chlorine and sweat, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.